In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list a product on Wayfair, SEO plus compliance. We'll walk through the exact flow inside the partner portal, and I'll share helpful tips along the way so your listing is both discoverable and compliant. Let's get started by opening your browser and searching for Sell with Wayfair. This takes you to the official partner portal where you can access the tools for adding products. Log in with your account to enter the dashboard. Once you're in, head to your catalog or products area and click Add New Products. This brings up your listing options and is the starting point for everything else you'll do today. You'll be asked to choose between Quick Upload and Guided Upload. Quick Upload is best if you're comfortable working in spreadsheets or need to add multiple SKUs at once. Guided Upload walks you through fields one screen at a time, which is great if you're new or listing a single item. Pick the path that fits your workflow and click your choice to continue. Next, click Download Template. This pulls down the spreadsheet Wayfair uses to collect your catalog data. You'll then be prompted to choose a class. A class is Wayfair's product taxonomy category, and selecting the most precise class ensures you see the correct required attributes. Pick the class that truly matches your item, then click Add Selected Class to lock it in. Now click Download Template again to get the class-specific file. Open that file and complete the fields carefully. For SEO, write a clear front-loaded product name with your primary keywords like the core product type, key material, size, or defining feature. Keep it natural and avoid stuffing. In the description, explain benefits, use cases, and differentiators in concise language. Fill out all required attributes such as SKU, brand, UPC, or EAN, dimensions, materials, color, and country of origin. For compliance, include any applicable certifications, regulatory warnings, safety statements, and care or installation notes the template requests. If the file asks for image URLs, make sure your images are high resolution, on a neutral background, and accurately reflect variations like color or finish. When your template is complete and saved, return to the portal and click Upload. Choose your finished file from your computer. Finally, click Submit to send it for validation. The system will check for missing or mismatched data and may highlight anything that needs attention, address any flagged items, and ensure your information matches the selected class to avoid delays. That's it. By choosing the right upload method, selecting the precise class, and completing the template with strong SEO and required compliance fields, your product will be set up for a smooth review and better search performance on Wayfair.